Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect ChatGPT with ManyChat. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your OpenAI account to ManyChat so the two platforms can work together. The process is straightforward, and it mainly involves creating an API key in OpenAI, then adding that key inside ManyChat's integration settings. As you follow along, be sure to keep your API key private, since it gives access to your connection. First, go to the OpenAI platform homepage. Once you're there, look for the section labeled API Keys and click into it. This is where you manage the keys used to connect OpenAI services with third-party tools like ManyChat. On the API Keys page, click Create New Secret Key. This will generate a new key for your integration. You'll then be prompted to enter a name. Add a simple sample name that helps you recognize what this key is for. For example, you might label it based on the platform you're connecting, so it's easier to identify later if you create more keys in the future. After naming the key, create it and then copy the API key when it appears. This is important because you may only be able to view the full key at the moment it is generated. Make sure you copy it carefully and store it securely until you paste it into ManyChat. Avoid sharing it or leaving it visible on screen longer than necessary. Next, switch over to your ManyChat account. From the dashboard, click on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Integrations area. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it, so take your time and look carefully. Once you see Integrations, click on it. This will open the section where ManyChat connects with external tools and services. From there, scroll down again until you find the ChatGPT option. The integrations list can contain multiple items, so keep scrolling until ChatGPT appears. When you locate the ChatGPT integration, click into the field where you can paste the API key. Paste the key you copied earlier from the OpenAI platform. Double-check that the full key has been inserted correctly, with no extra spaces before or after it. Finally, click Connect. If everything was entered properly, ManyChat will link with ChatGPT and the integration should be ready to use. That's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT with ManyChat. If the connection doesn't work on the first try, go back and confirm that you copied the correct key and pasted it into the right field.